first Sunday of the new year, taking a look at live radar here. That is snow, and lots of it.
Yeah, good morning. It's 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I am Rod Maloney.
And I'm Grant Herms. Thanks for joining us here this morning at Local 4 News Today. We want to get right to Andrew because, Andrew, we're watching quite a bit of snowfall outside.
Grant and Rod, you're absolutely right. And it's just now during this time period where temperatures are getting closer to the freezing mark, especially here at the surface, so it has more potential of that snow actually sticking. When I drove into work a couple of hours ago, roads were mostly wet. Now there's a better chance of them becoming more slushy as the hours would go by. In fact, here's your slippery timeline for you. Persistent snow, the heaviest snow, relatively speaking, is occurring right now and will persist as we go through these morning hours, up until around 10, 11 o'clock this morning. It's all because of an area of low pressure that's going to track to the northeast and starts to move away from southeast Michigan by lunchtime. So the snow becomes more scattered midday, and even some rain enters the mix as temperatures rise. After around 3 p.m., that scattered snow winds down and we're just left with cloudy skies for the most part, and we're left with chilly conditions with temperatures that will be in the middle 30s. In terms of your forecast for today, temperature-wise, we start in low 30s, go to middle 30s by lunchtime and afterward, and then go back into the low 30s later on this evening. And in terms of snow totals, no heavy amount of snow. Notice there are no alerts up, no advisories, no watches, no warnings. That being said, enough snow to keep us on our toes, generally 1 to 2 inches across the area. We'll go over these snow totals again. We'll talk about today's forecast again, and of course your 7-day forecast in minutes.
Andrew, thank you very much.